Your patients all want beautiful, natural-looking teeth, and they want them now. At Straumann, we're always searching for new solutions, for different ways to meet existing and emerging needs. We knew there was an ingenious implant system just waiting to be defined, and we were going to be the ones to create it. Our journey took us down unexpected paths and challenged our preconceptions. We called on innovative implant designer Dr. Ofir Fromovich, and together we undertook to create an implant system that would set new standards for the industry. Let's hear from Head of Product Management George Raeber, whose primary focus is on developments and new trends in the market.
Immediate procedures are such an important patient wish. They want to be restored as soon as possible and go back to their normal lives. But for our customers, these are demanding clinical procedures. Clinicians would like to have products which give them the maximum confidence that such interventions can be done safely. This is exactly where Straumann came in. We used all our expertise and experience to develop a system tailored to immediacy, but capable of much more. And yes, we did not invent fully tapered implants, and sometimes we are considered to be a bit slow. But I'm convinced that we have created now one of the most advanced implant systems you can get.
Head of Research and Development Francisco Faoro knew that a radical change lay ahead.
We needed to leave our comfort zone completely and create a working environment that would allow for even the craziest ideas. We invited clinicians to work with us right from the beginning. We followed up the ideas to the limits, and we sketched and verified literally hundreds of designs before we hit the final path.
And this is where the fun really began. We took the new system through not only every standard industry test, but also raised the benchmark for each of them. After that, we even added new tests to determine the limits of the implant's design and construction.
During development, more than 900 of the new implants went through over 1.8 trillion loading cycles. Run one after the other, they would have taken over 28 years. We tested our system against more than 200 competitor implants. And we continued improving, fine-tuning and retesting until every length and diameter of our implant had achieved outstanding insertion behavior in every bone class.
Heat generation is always an issue in implant surgery. By designing a new drill system, we managed to improve temperature regulation at the same time simplifying the drill protocol.
In addition to our standard mechanical tests, we asked an independent university to test the new system under extremely high biting forces. Imaging with micro-CT under load showed that the assembled components remain entirely stable. The analysis confirms a precise and tight connection. I was very impressed by the way it worked.
So now the focus shifted to the producibility of the system.
Pour la production, le grand défi de BLX consistait à transformer cet incroyable prototype, développé à partir d'essais cliniques, en un produit capable de répondre à toutes les exigences de qualité et de précision, tout en maintenant l'efficacité. Grâce à notre longue expérience, nous avons réussi à relever ce challenge. Néanmoins, nous avons beaucoup appris tout au long de ce projet. Une fois que nous avons commencé à produire, le planning était extrêmement exigeant et nous avons dû très rapidement passer en 3 shifts.
Designing a manufacturing solution was one aspect, product optimization continued to be another.
We worked very closely with more than 100 clinical experts. They sometimes gave us very technical feedback and big challenges, but we were able to implement it well towards shaping the final product. What we in the end developed was a single technical solution to a range of different problems and anatomical situations.
And now we have it. A brand new implant system with a single connection for all diameters. A new prosthetic concept, new drills and a simplified drill protocol. But most importantly, the new outer design results in an insertion behavior that really makes the difference.
This revolutionary system for the fully tapered segment is being used in indications that range from single tooth to fully edentulous, from immediate to conventional placement and loading. My peers are reporting to me that our system performs exceptionally well under real-world clinical conditions.
And the name of this new system? Just 3 letters. BLX. A combination of advanced implant geometry, prosthetic simplicity, and 2 best-in-class technologies, rock solid and SL active. Confidence guaranteed for you and your patients.